Happy holidays from 7 Spice Life. I'm your host Lisa, and today we are making a rich and decadent chocolate cardamom halawa. This is a beautiful and festive dessert, and it's easy to make. Let's get started. So the only specialty equipment you'll need for this recipe is a candy thermometer. These give an accurate reading and can withstand the super hot temperature that sugar boils at. And you'll want this because you want to stop the sugar process at exactly 250 degrees. Otherwise you'll have too flaky of a sesame seed paste and it won't set right when you're trying to make your halawa. Okay? All right, let's go. Halva is awesome to be served with a nice steaming hot chai or espresso. And if you don't want to serve it at the end of a meal and you have a party, you can wrap up each individual piece with a little wax paper and give it as a party favor. It makes the perfect little treat to take home. That's it. Wasn't that easy? I hope you enjoyed this last video on halawa with cardamom and chocolate. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. As always, the recipe is in the description, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. I hope you have a very happy holiday, and until next time, cheers.